These 3 chili plants have finally earned their upgrade into a 5-gallon grow bag. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing awesome. A happy Friday to you all. It is Friday the 19th of June 2026 and it is day 124 of the Chilli grow up. 22 degrees at the moment, light breeze, and as you can see, super sunny. So the plants are drying nicely. They were out last night. They're out permanently now, I think. They're drying out all that rain, storm water off. Everything seems absolutely fine. So I thought what we'll do today, have a little check through and see some of the plants that are in the bigger pots. Let's get some of them into grow bags, because at the stage now, this time of the season, I think we need to start moving and transplanting everything into their final homes. Now, we know we're doing like the merch masalas over there and the seedlings there. Are they going to make it in time by the end of the season? Probably not, but just for experimental stuff and, you know, just as a learning process, they're here, they're ready. But as the ones in the bigger cups, they've got the full potential of blooming in the grow bags, just like what these are doing. And those over there, yeah, I'm just midway moving them, getting them out the shady spot. So yeah, let's pick 3. Let's get 3 out. 3 of our best performers in the pots, and obviously 3 that have the roots and are ready for their transplant, and we'll get them into grow bags. Other than that, hope you're doing well, hope you're doing awesome. Me and Lucy enjoying the sun, aren't you? You love the sun. Get all sleepy. Fast asleep, aren't you? Alright, yeah, let's do this. Let's get into day 124. Fried egg, madam. So I have 3 5-gallon grow bags here, and we filled them up, put the pots in so they're going to have a nice perfect shape for the plant when it takes out of the pot. In here we have the Buena Mulata. I've also got the Tabasco here, and I've also got a ghost pepper here. All 3 are ready. What we're going to do now is individually take them out of the plant pots, show the roots, make sure they're all set and ready, get them into the 5-gallon grow bags, get them back outside, get them some water and fertilizer, and then we can wrap up day 124, can't we? Right, let's get this Tabasco out. Turn them over. Let's have a look at these roots. Just incredible. Definitely ready. Let's do this. Let's get them inside the 5-gallon grow bag. Just like that. Push them down. Bring the soil in from the edges. And there we go. Our Tabasco has been planted out of its plant pot into a 5-gallon grow bag. Let's transplant this Buena Mulata next. Let's turn them over. Wonderful. Lots going on the bottom there. Cannot wait to try this pepper. Purple cayennes apparently. Perfect for stir fries. So that's what we should be doing. Ghost pepper next. Wow. Beautiful. Definitely ready. The ghost pepper transplanted from its cup. Some fertilizer and water there. Perfect. There we have it. All set and ready. That's our ghost pepper. There's our Tabasco, and there's our Buena Mulata. They've all had some water and fertilizer. Everything else needs time to dry off still. It's getting quite a big collection now, isn't it? I'll just start moving through the bigger pots, getting them into 5-gallon grow bags, and the smaller seedlings and like the merch masala cups will go into the bigger pots. But I think we're on track. Everything's looking okay as far as I can see. Let me know if you see any different. Again, I'm here to learn. This is my first time trying this, so if I'm missing something, I need to know. Let me know. That wraps up day 124, everybody. I want to thank you all so much for joining us as always. It means the world to me. Lucy and I thank you so much. You take care of yourselves, okay? Thank you very much for joining us. Have yourselves a wonderful Friday and a great weekend coming up. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful day. Thanks again. You take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.